Today is a skincare talk day and it's a wellness talk. Hey, welcome. Today I'll be doing a skincare video. I'll be doing a face mask. So I have these face masks here by Patchology. I'll be showing you guys 3, but today I'll just be doing 1, and then just stay tuned to look up for my other 2 videos to see me to see how I feel about them. Then what I'll be using today is the Just Let It Glow. So it says Healthy Glow Sheet Mask. I'll read the back. It says lack of sleep, poor diet, stress, and general crappiness starting to show on your face. Formulated with just the stuff you need to get your glow on. They always is like the main ingredients at the front, and the 3 listed on the Just Let It Glow are the pear fruit, the sea berry extract, and the niacinamide. Well, I'm going to go ahead and talk about each, but I'm going to read what the back says first. The pear fruit helps to get your moisture in balance. Sea berry extract contains tons of antioxidants, and niacinamide helps to even out your complexion and makes light shoot out your pores. Okay, not really, but your skin will be pretty luminous, which is almost as good. That's what it says. Unfold the mask and pop it onto your face. Wiggle around until you get the best fit possible, and leave on for 10 minutes or longer if you want. Remove the mask and massage any excess serum into the skin. No need to rinse, just let all that goodness absorb right in. This does have, things like fragrance. I know some people are very particular about things, so I just want to let those who want to know if it does or not. It does contain fragrance as the last ingredient on this packet here. I don't think I have very sensitive skin, but I mean slightly. Like, I know certain makeups, like when I wear it, if it's too, sometimes if it feels too like suffocating, for example, I get like these tiny fine bumps. Or like, I don't know if this has ever happened to you guys, but have you guys ever put on makeup and like you feel like, it sounds weird, but like your nose runs? Not all day, but like initially, and it's just like, I don't know. Doesn't happen with Fenty. Didn't happen with the last video I made on the Il Maquillage. But if that has ever happened to you, let me know down below in the comments. Just so I know I'm not, the only one here. So I am back. My face is washed. So I'll zoom in. This is it. Alright. So you guys can see all of my skin in all its glory. So this is it. This is my skin, guys. I'm gonna do my own research as my face air dries. I'll actually air dry my face. But anyway, pear fruit, sea berry extract, and niacinamide for skin. I hear about niacinamide a lot, but I'm gonna look up all 3, share it with you guys. As I learn, pear fruit helps to get your moisture in balance. The sea berry extract contains tons of antioxidants, and niacinamide helps to even out your complexion and makes a light shoot out of your pores. I think they're just talking about the glowy part. That's really what they're saying, obviously. Let me Google, yes Google, pear fruit benefits on skin. You know what? Let's go to Healthline. A medium-sized pear provides the following nutrients: vitamin C, vitamin K, copper, and potassium. This same serving also provides small amounts of folate, provitamin A, and niacin. And there is a difference between niacinamide and niacin. I read that somewhere. But anyhow, folate and niacin are important for cellular function and energy production, while provitamin A supports skin health and wound healing. Pear fruits are an excellent source of polyphenol antioxidants, which protect against oxidative damage, so like from the sun, UV damage, XYZ. Be sure to eat the whole pear, as the peel, like the skin of the fruit, boasts up to 6 times more polyphenols than the flesh. That's where you're getting the antioxidants from. So we're all learning this together. Thanks for joining me. Healthify Me website. It says pears contain good amounts of vitamin A that can help in keeping your skin and hair healthy. This also helps in keeping the skin youthful as it reduces age spots and wrinkles. Next is sea berry extracts. Let's see. I see something online under puristry.com. Let's click on it and see if it matches up with the antioxidants that this claims that the sea berry has. Sea berry is a mineral and antioxidant packed superfood, which is claimed. The otherwise known as hippophae rhamnoids, sandthorn, or sea buckthorn. Okay, so that's why sea buckthorn kept on popping up. This berry has been used for centuries in Asia and Europe for its highly nutritious and medicinal profile. Sea berry is a popular addition to natural skincare because it's high in vitamins and minerals. These berries contain unsurpassed stores of omegas 3, 6, and 9. It is also a rich source of the elusive essential fatty acid omega-7. We love omega-7 a lot because it's an essential fatty acid that's vital to collagen production, and collagen is good for keeping your skin youthful and plump. This means stronger skin, hair, and nails. No surprise, coming from a tiny plant that can survive 12,000 feet above sea level. So that was really informative. They pack 12 times the amount of vitamin C as oranges. Wow. High vitamin C content makes this berry an all-star when it comes to collagen production. Sea berries offer deeply hydrating, anti-aging, and skin brightening properties. And lastly, the one we're going to go over is the niacinamide. On healthline.com, it says niacinamide, also called nicotinamide, is a form of vitamin B3, an essential nutrient. B3 deficiencies can lead to disorders of the skin. Is it the same thing as niacin? It's not the same thing as niacin, but both niacin and niacinamide are two different types of vitamin B3. So let's go over the benefits listed on healthline.com for niacinamide. It says niacinamide helps build keratin, a type of protein that keeps your skin firm and healthy. Next point, niacinamide can help your skin grow a ceramide lipid barrier, which can in turn help retain moisture. This is beneficial for all skin types, especially if you have eczema or mature skin. It minimizes redness and blotchiness because niacinamide reduces inflammation, which may help ease redness from eczema, acne, other inflammatory skin conditions. It minimizes pore appearance. Keeping skin smooth and moisturized may have a secondary benefit, a natural reduction in pore size over time. It regulates oil. The benefits of moisture retention aren't just for those with dry skin types. Niacinamide can also help regulate the amount of oil the sebaceous glands produce. So I'm just going to pop this on. Now that I've had this on for the 20 minutes, I'm going to take it off. And they say no need to rinse. So, and it still has like a lot of products, like a lot of serum on it. The next video I'll be making for you guys will be the hydration mask, the hydrate one, because I want to compare the, actually, you know what, no, I'm going to do the hydrate one last. I'm going to do the get dewy with it. So this is the glowy look, and I'm going to compare this look with the dewy look for my next video that I'll be filming. So stay tuned for that if you're curious to see. So my skin is still dry, but I feel like a little residue, or I guess that's the serum drying, but it's drying. It looks good so far. I do feel really glowy. I had put in I do like the glow look. It doesn't look too much. It looks like a healthy glow. I feel like they did deliver on that. but I'm curious to see what it looks like throughout the day. But that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Continue watching, subscribe if you haven't for more videos. Stay tuned for my next video by hitting the notification bell so you know when I drop the one on the Get Dewy With It. So that's the next video. And following that, I'll be doing the hydration mask. If you like this video, if you learned something new, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date every time I drop a video. Thank you guys. I will see you very soon. Bye.